Tired of Cash App telling you it can't find your bank? Let's ditch the frustration and unlock seamless Cash App transactions by connecting your bank account using Plaid. First, fire up your Cash App. You'll usually find the option to link your bank account under the Banking tab, often represented by a little bank icon at the bottom left. If you don't see it there, tap your profile icon in the top right corner. In your profile, scroll down until you see Linked Banks. Tap that. This is where the magic happens. You'll see options to link debit cards and bank accounts. Choose the Link Bank option. Now, Plaid will pop up. If you've never heard of it, Plaid is a super secure service that connects Cash App to your bank. Find your bank from the list or use the search bar. If it's not immediately visible, you'll then be prompted to enter your online banking username and password, just like you would if you were logging directly into your bank's website. Don't worry, Cash App never sees this information. It's all handled securely by Plaid. Depending on your bank's security settings, you might need to verify your identity using a code sent to your phone or email. Enter that code when prompted. Once verified, you should see a confirmation screen that your bank account is now linked to your Cash App. Hallelujah! Now you can seamlessly add cash, send money, and receive payments directly from your bank account. But what if things don't go so smoothly? If you encounter an error, double-check your username and password. It's easy to mistype. If the problem persists, contact your bank directly to make sure there aren't any holds or security issues preventing the connection. And that's it. You've successfully connected your bank account to Cash App using Plaid. Now go enjoy stress-free money transfers. Remember to subscribe for more Cash App tips and tricks.